In the midst of Iceland's breathtaking nature, the new MINI Countryman S All4 can prove its off-road qualities. In the John Cooper Works trim with a bright, chili red body color and a shiny black contrasting roof in jet black, the grown crossover model already exudes a visually superior presence. The MINI Countryman S All4 impresses with driving fun on any terrain. Our customers benefit from the variability of a crossover with a robust off-road character. The MINI Countryman is both agile and spirited as well as safe and comfortable on long distances, says Stephanie Wurst, head of MINI. Excellent even in snow and ice, outdoor fans will experience the wild side of the largest volcanic island in the world, especially off the big roads. In winter on Iceland, rough terrain, snow-covered scree tracks, and icy climbs challenge the precise driving qualities of the MINI Countryman S All4. The All4 all-wheel drive system supports the driver in all road and weather conditions. The fast and precise electronic control system distributes the drive power between the front and rear wheels as needed. In combination with the slightly increased track width and the increased wheelbase, the model offers excellent driving dynamics with increased comfort. The chassis can be adjusted differently depending on the surface and environment. A well-balanced and comfortably adjusted suspension is ideal for exploring the Icelandic crater landscape. On solid roads and in city traffic, however, the MINI Countryman S All4 is particularly agile with its direct steering and sporty tuned chassis. The powerful 2-liter twin-power turbo engine impresses on Iceland's long, straight roads with smooth running, increased output to 218 horsepower, and maximum torque of 265 pound-feet. In addition, a 48-volt mild hybrid motor supports the performance of the MINI Countryman S All4 in the low speed range through a temporary boost of 18 horsepower. US spec Countryman S All4 receives 241 horsepower and 295 foot-pounds of torque without the 48-volt mild hybrid motor. While not available in the US market, the John Cooper Works trim gives the MINI Countryman S All4 an individual motorsport look with distinctive diffusers at the front and rear. In the JCW trim, the bright chili red color and the characteristic contrasting roof and high-gloss jet black side mirrors give the body a powerful appearance. In keeping with this, the MINI LED headlights with the selected JCW signature only show 2 horizontal stripes as daytime running lights and accentuate the minimalist design language. The John Cooper Works logo features clear outlines and the typical red, white, black color scheme on the octagonal front grille. In this new look, the logo also adorns the distinctive C-pillar. Vertical rear lights underline the upright and sporty position of the MINI Countryman S All4. For the new model, light alloy wheels are available in various designs and sizes ranging from 17-inch to 21-inch. The MINI Countryman S All4 offers up to 5 passengers comfortable space in all seats. The backrest of the 3 rear seats is individually adjustable in 6 positions. The back seat, which can be moved up to 13 centimeters, provides either additional legroom or even more cargo space. The bright atmosphere in the interior is further reinforced by the panoramic glass roof. In the JCW trim, equipment-specific seats made of high-quality synthetic leather with red contrasting stitching provide a secure grip and at the same time offer the right level of comfort. The black and red color scheme of the vehicle trim continues on the knitted surfaces of the interior door trim and dashboard. Luggage can be easily stored in the 16 cubic foot trunk. The rear seat backrest, which can be flexibly divided at a ratio of 40-20-40, allows the luggage compartment to be expanded up to 51.2 cubic feet if needed. This means that even bulky objects can be easily transported when the back seat is completely folded. On multi-lane roads, Driving Assistant Plus adds the option of partially automated Level 2 driving to the MINI Countryman for the first time. This allows the driver to take their hands off the steering wheel up to a speed of 37 miles per hour, provided that the driver continues to closely monitor the traffic and remains ready to intervene at any time. Currently, I am not sure if the automated driving will be a feature of the US spec Countryman. Look for more information on that once I am able to get access to a US spec version. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.